In this video, I'll share with you how to categorize it. Although the word in this cell is not exactly matched, so we can use, let's say, I have this item. So it automatically categorizes into health. And look at this word here. Whenever there is a word exactly, and then it will get the health. This is the health one. So how to do that? Well, the answer is printed here. Now let's see what happens. Keywords and the categories is a name range. So you can see that this is the keywords, and as for the categories is this list here. So let's begin the search. So if I look at the cell here, then I ask Excel, well, in this cell, check whether there is any item that is matching these expenses here. So any keywords here. So we find that there is one, and the short list is on the which position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth items. So we know that the corresponding columns would be health. Therefore, we get health there. So here it starts with the search. See this part, search. And then after the search, it will have the errors here if they couldn't find one of the items. Let's say we want to use search for just one item. So use search the keywords here in comma, and look at this cell here. So it will give you the fifth item is a number. Now it's right here. I change it to say is number. They will give me a list of value, false, 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 true. So it's on the fifth. Then I use the match function to locate the other fifth item. Here I add in match. True. I want to know which item is shown as true. Which position is it? Now it gives me the 8. So finally, I have the 8. These are the 8. From here out onto here, we get the 8. So same things. I want to know what is the 8 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this should be the 5. So I say that. So it's not the fifth item. Yeah, let's see again. The check this number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, this is 5. So now we go for match function. True. Right here, comma 0 exact match. Enter. See on the fifth item. So the fifth item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So now we want something for the fifth item, and we use the index function to achieve that. The fifth item, so I use index on this category. This category is right here, and then we know that this will return the fifth item. So comma health. So the last part of index function is relatively easier. This category. If I want the fifth item in this list, I can type in the fifth. So it's health. If I want the third item, I put 3. You get this list here. Entertainment. So I hope you understand these functions. What last thing we do is that we can go to formulas and then evaluate formulas. We can also understand from this evaluation. So evaluate. So the category is now turning into F5 to F12. Then I want to look at this keyword. This keyword is now expanded to be Giants, McDonald's, iFlix, Proton, Shortly, Starbucks, Tesco, TMB, which is this list. So now Excel's take the list and go to the cell B5 to check whether there is a value that's matching this given list. So so now put in the data. Now they check that okay, giant is not in the list, so it's a no value, right? Wrong. The 30 seconds wrong, right? And this one is there is a one item because it starts from this one is the first letter in this list. So yes, there is. So next is that it put into the match function, and the one has error will become false, false, false. The one with the matching the number one will given a value of true right here, and true is the fifth item. So now you add to fifth items and then go to the categories list to locate the fifth item, and that is how we use the match this number array formula. Thanks for watching. God bless you.